Hello, and welcome to Quick Tips from MSC Industrial Supply, a show where we invite the manufacturing community to share their expertise with us. On many job sites, being properly protected usually means correctly using several pieces of protective equipment. A hard hat is a non-negotiable in many environments, but so is hearing protection. So, what do you do when your earmuffs don't fit over your hard hat? Our friends at ProSafe are here with a simple and effective solution to keep you safe and compliant without any hassle. Let's check it out.
So what happens when you're using hearing protection along with a hard hat? If it's an earplug, you're putting your earplug in the same way as you normally do. If it's an ear muff, we do have a couple of challenges. If you're trying to use a traditional foldable, it will not fit over the hard hat, which means the ear muff will not properly give you the protection you need. So how do we solve for that problem? Pretty simple. We have cap-mounted ear muffs. These ear muffs fit universal slots in most hard hats. So let's go ahead and attach our cap-mounted ear muff to the hard hat. And this process is relatively simple. You take your ear muff, which has a universal adapter, and it slides into the universal slot available on most hard hats. Simply click in the ear muff, and your hard hat now has the added function of hearing protection. As you can see, they're adjustable. Ensuring the proper fit and efficient hearing protection coverage. ProSafe has the assortment you need to keep your employees safe and compliant.
For more information on ProSafe hearing protection solutions, visit www.mscdirect.com/product/ProSafe. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the smartest. With cap-mounted earmuffs, you never have to choose between protecting your head and protecting your hearing. Thank you, ProSafe, for showing us how easy it is to stay fully protected on the job. See you next time on Quick Tips.